I don't know who loves ice cream more than me, but every day is a nice day for ice cream, especially with temperatures in the triple digits. Breyanna's Bistro just came up with this not too long ago, but temperatures is more in the 60s, so might as well grab that special today, medium iced coffee. Well, showers will become widespread later on today, and they will most likely form in this warm sector. Storms are due to a stalled boundary in South Louisiana that will continue to bring in heavy rainfall along the Gulf Coast. Should you put up those Christmas lights? Yes, you should do it, but not now. You can wait later on today. It would be pretty nice. If you haven't visited the pumpkin patch, today is very nice to do so. Dew points into the upper 60s, so it is very humid for tonight's game. Kickoff is at 7, so if you are traveling, make sure to bring the water bottles and also that portable fan. I have mine on hand to stay cool for tonight's game. Happy Veterans Day to all those who have served, especially my grandpa, aunt, and cousin. Here's that icy morning checklist. If you don't have to be out, stay inside, have that soup of your choice. I'm pretty sure you already had to cook some for these cold temperatures, but if you have to be out, you don't want any exposed skin. You can expect all modes of severe weather during this time, from tornadoes, large hail, damaging winds, even flash flooding, especially in our low-lying areas across Ceylon. The trending topic in the Atlantic is Hurricane Tammy. It is a Category 1 hurricane. Annular solar eclipse. Finally, it starts at 10:30 in the morning, so make sure you have your protective eyewear. Don't want to look directly at it with your eyes. That can harm them. But luckily for here, we have 75% maximum eclipse, so we can see that around 12:01 for Saturday, and it does end about 1:39, so we'll be very nice. Here in Alexandria, we did not break the record high, but we did tie it at 91 degrees. Now, conditions tomorrow, you have to stay tuned after the break for those details. If you're not looking at your screen, upper 50s and low 60s, much colder than what we have seen these last couple months. I'm at the Rapides Parish Fair, and it is mostly sunny down here. It is pretty hot, so when you get here, you have to stay hydrated and get you some water bottles, but mostly get some food as well and ride a couple rides. But those temperatures throughout Ceylon into the 80s. It's very nice for today. Take a dip in the pool or even throw a couple hot dogs and hamburgers on the grill. Beauregard through St. Landry, pretty much in the clear as of now, but storms will continue to drift further south. This tornado warning is in effect for parts of Allen and Evangeline Parish until 12:15. Upper level ridging takes place just for a couple days here, very short-lived, until we have this next trough that will erode that ridge and bring in cooler temperatures. Saturday night at 48, so it'll be very cool out there. You will not need the air conditioner on by this weekend. This will most likely form into a line this evening and push more so towards the east. And it will be quite windy tomorrow as well, so might as well put that trash can up for tomorrow, because you don't want that down the street. First cold front pushed through, bringing in drier air. We have yet that second cold front late Friday into Saturday. They'll bring in another shot of dry air and cooler temperatures. Now it is a Category 2 hurricane. It was a Category 4 hurricane yesterday, and that's due to this system moving into much cooler waters. For here in Louisiana, that first freeze is typically in November. We should just have a blowout party for the first day of fall, because this summer it was not good to us. The forecast is it's pretty nice. I'm just glad the fair is here now. Get me a bucket of fries. Very nice. I may not ride nothing, but I just love to eat when the fair comes.
Probably should expect some showers this afternoon.
Yes, most likely. It's hard to pinpoint where. It just would be scattered like popcorn across the radar. Happy Thursday and welcome back to Jambalaya. We have high pressure situated just north of us in Arkansas, but that will continue to slide towards the east, and we'll have winds shift out of the south here coming up later today, so they'll bring in a surge of moisture into our area, so dew points rising into at least the 60s and 70s for later today and tomorrow. And we also still tracking this strong trough out of the west that will move into our area, so that will tap in with the Gulf moisture and fuel showers and thunderstorms for Saturday. But that will bring us a strong cold front as well. So once that sweeps towards the east, we'll have cooler and dry conditions for the end of the weekend. And we aren't expecting high rainfall totals for Saturday's rainfall, only up to 1 inch, but we'll still take any rainfall that we can get to still help us out with the exceptional drought that we have in our area. Now, with that severe storm outlook, still a slight risk, and this has not budged all week, so we're still under that level 2 out of 5 for most of the state, northern parishes as well, with a marginal risk more so towards southeast Louisiana. So that threat level 2 out of 5, and we're looking at the timing as of Saturday afternoon through Saturday night with the primary threats, damaging winds, large hail, but we can't rely on any isolated tornadoes that may pop up for Saturday. So strong to severe storms possible Saturday, and not only are we dealing with these showers and thunderstorms, also gusty winds coming up Saturday between 25 to 30 miles per hour. So we may have a wind advisory for a Saturday, but still early for that. But want to make sure to secure any loose objects outside before Saturday. But for the rest of today, will be pretty nice for this Thursday with mostly sunny skies, no rain chances. Now for a Friday morning, may have a few isolated showers pop up through the afternoon hours, but staying completely dry for the festivities coming up Friday evening. But rain chances back on the rise coming up Saturday morning with just a few isolated showers, but the bulk of the rainfall forming into a line of storms through the afternoon and evening hours Saturday. Even after midnight, may still have a few isolated showers for early Sunday, but by the afternoon hours, temperatures dropping into the 50s Sunday, even for Monday. But check out those overnight temperatures at freezing Sunday night. So I won't be surprised if we have any freeze watches next week, because temperatures still pretty cold in the low 30s through Tuesday morning, but will slowly warm just above freezing by a couple degrees in the upper 30s Wednesday morning. Our first tool is the free KALB weather app in the App Store, and you can receive weather notifications such as tornado warnings, tornado watches, or flash flood watches and warnings, etc. Tap the 3 lines in the top right, select settings and weather notifications, and you have multiple ones to choose from to get that alert to your phone. It's free, easy to use, and it's great information at your fingertips.
Saturday night, partly cloudy.
Another helpful tool is a NOAA weather radio. Any watches, warnings, or advisories will activate after setup. You can buy them at most electronic stores. Go to the website on the bottom of your screen to find out how to program your radio for your parish.
Becoming mostly cloudy.
The weather team use Facebook and Twitter for weather updates, along with live updates from our OTT live desk. In a tornado warning, we are on Facebook Live, on air, providing you minute-by-minute updates on that warning until it is allowed to expire. The crawl system is used when weather alerts are issued by the National Weather Service and will scroll at the bottom until it expires. In any severe weather event here in Sunlaw, the weather team will provide updates before, during, and after that event that affects our area on air, online, and social media.